Hello everybody, this is David Foss with MarineMax in Wakefield, Rhode Island, where we're standing on an in-stock Boston Whaler 280 Vantage. Brand new boat. It's in Abaco blue. It's really pretty. We're going to do a quick walkthrough so you can see how this boat is equipped. And again, the boat is in Wakefield, Rhode Island. You can look us up on the internet, make an appointment, and come see the boat for yourself. So in our walkthrough, we're going to start with the Mercury power. We have twin Mercury 300 horsepower Verado engines on the back of this boat. Very quiet, very fuel efficient, Mercury reliability, great package on this 280 Vantage. Lots of cockpit space. This is a dual console boat. So good use of the deck space here for just egressing, moving around. If you're fishing off the back of it, if you have guests and you need some extra seating, you have this huge fold-out bench, which is awesome, true to Boston Whaler form. You can see how thick this cushion is, how wide it is, plus this big backrest. Very comfortable seat, very attractive. And when you're not using it, you just fold it right back in. So below me, I have two fish boxes on either side. They're macerated with pump out. And also below my feet here is the pump room. Boston Whaler's the best in the industry as far as engineering the pump room, where everything's very easily accessible right here in the deck of the boat, not in a hard space to reach at all. Equipped, there is standard a live well in the transom, and the 280 Vantage does have this dive door. Again, true to Whaler form, look at the hardware. This is a very sturdy, very well-designed door. This opens up, makes passing on through the boat very easy, whether you're swimming or you're just getting on and off at the dock. This is an award-winning design from Boston Whaler. You may have seen this before, you may not, but it's a multi-position seat. There is storage on either side. You can lift up this side. You can lift up the front. So it becomes a big storage container underneath the seat. But the cool part about it is there's multiple different positions for comfort, lounging, chase, and it goes all the way down and becomes a big sunbed. They even put a backrest on the bathroom door here, so you can have, definitely one adult, maybe 2 or 3 kids sitting out on this seat. So beautiful design, very functional from Boston Whaler. On the starboard side, we have this nice console that adds an additional seat with storage under it. It is an insulated and plumbed storage compartment with cup holders right there for the guests. Also built into this console is a freshwater sink. So if you need to wash off some fruit or just get the salt off your hands, you have that there. Becomes a nice Corian countertop. And of course, more storage underneath this console as well. Moving into the helm, with our Mercury twin engines, this boat has joystick control. So twin Mercury 300 horsepower engines. This is your Mercury binnacle with active trim standard, and your Mercury joystick, which has skyhook, autopilot, all the cool features that make your day that much more enjoyable. The boat does have trim tabs. All the rocker switches are very nicely placed, very easy accessible. We have a VHF radio, and we have a nice Simrad screen here. Notice the acrylic backing, just for aesthetics. It looks very, very sharp. Nice little catch-all here, cup holders and charging ports for your phone, and or plugging in, a compressor for filling up a tube. On the companion side, they've made very good use of this space. There's a really big head compartment in here, which we'll get into. But again, more of that acrylic aesthetic. Looks very nice. This vinyl top. And you do have a lockable glove box here for your registrations and little personal items that you can lock and leave on the boat. So we're going to open up this door. I do like that it's a front-facing door and not one of those side ones that you have to squeeze into. It's very easily accessible. You do have a vacuum flush toilet, Corian countertop, and freshwater sink. And actually the faucet on that freshwater sink pulls out, becomes a shower head. Notice the sea deck on the ground in there. It's aesthetically pleasing and very functional. You have this big door here with a nice big latch. Let's move up towards the bow, where we do have more storage space under this big console. This is doubles. This is a wind dam door, so you can get full protection from the wind and the elements. And there's also storage under here as well that's lockable. Huge storage compartment here. And speaking of the protection from the wind, this boat is equipped with weather curtains. So you can see these little vinyl zippers that kind of go around the boat. This has a full enclosure. Notice the size of this hardtop. So you've got a big, beautiful fiberglass hardtop. There's courtesy lights in it, LED switch lights. There's grab rails, but there is a full enclosure on this 28 Vantage that we have here in Rhode Island. Up in the bow space, you've got lots of great seating here. So you can have 4 or 5 adults sitting up here enjoying both seats facing forward, create a lounge space. There's armrests here, so you can sit facing forward. Plenty of leg room. There's cup holders, there's speakers here, so very comfortable, and there is storage underneath all these seats as well. Then up on the bow, here's your anchor locker. This boat does have an anchor windlass with remote and a freshwater shower, so if you want to wash the mud off of that anchor. So if you'd like to come see this Boston Whaler 280 Vantage, again, my name is David. I'm in Wakefield, Rhode Island. Look us up on the internet, make an appointment. We'd love to see you and show you the boat. Thank you so much.